I just messed my whole eye up. I just want, I'm still messing it up. I just wanted to rub it. But hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today, actually, I'm not doing really much. I'm about to turn this half up, half down style into 2 buns. Cause why not? Everybody don't want hair down. Sometimes you have a bad hair down day. So I might as well switch it up for y'all. So we are about to, y'all know me and partner. So just give me grace, okay? Okay. This one's going over there, this one's going over. Did I mess it up already? I messed it up already. Oh my GG. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is like my 3rd time. I'm over it at this point. Okay. This one's gonna go with that one. And this one. Hold on. Come right, son. Come on. Hurry up. Good boy. Okay, mommy has to close the door. And this one's about to go over here. So we're gonna start with this one first. I'm still debating if I wanna put this up. I think I'm gonna just leave it down, it's cute. So yeah, we're just going to brush everything up. We'll brush everything on this side up. Not as slicky slick. I love when styles come together and they be quick and simple and easy. Okay. Yay! Bunny, bunny, bunny. I actually probably can do the puff this time instead of the pony. Let's see, since I have more hair. Listen. Yo, Pierre. That's fine. No, I'm gonna do a puff. So we're just gonna leave that while we do this side because I really do think I want the not puff. What am I supposed to? I think I want the bun. So brush all this up. Nana, is that nice? You're like, girl, I don't care about niceness. I'm a whole gremlin in these streets. Okay. Okay. If y'all know, ponytails are not my thing. Okay. So now we're going to not bun this. Pop this out. Okay, make sure they're somewhat even. Whew. Okay, now this time I am doing the rubber band method to get my bun, you know, looking nice. So do that. Oh, that is cute. Okay, hold on, y'all. it's actually doing exactly what I tried to do in the video before this one. Great. Oops. Okay. I got little puffs. Little curly puffs. Okay. We definitely gonna bun everything up. So I'm gonna take a rubber band. I wish I knew you wanted me. Take a rubber band and feed everything into that rubber band. Okay, it's a little messy. I can do that. I can do that. As long as this one does the same messiness. I think I took that a little more. Okay, so we're gonna take this again. Cause yeah, I like that one. I like this. Do I need to wrap this? And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we only have what, 2 more days? We almost done. I did like this. Can y'all see what's we only have 2 more days. We are done. We're done. But yeah, see you guys.